Hi, my name's Michelle Lloyd of Lloyd's Academy.
Hi, welcome to your lesson on square numbers. Square numbers are special numbers. We know, for example, 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 3 is 12, and so on. Square numbers are these ones. It's when you multiply a number by itself. So this number here, the number 9, is the square number. So let's have a look at other examples. We could have 1 times 1 equals 1. That's my square number. 2 times 2 is 4. So 4 is a square number. 3 times 3 we've done, so let's go to 4. 4 times 4 is 16, so 16 is the square. 5 times 5 is 25, so 25 is a square number. 6 times 6 is 36, so that's a square number. 7 times 7 is 49, 8 times 8 is 64, 9 times 9 is 81, 10 times 10 is 100, 11 times 11 is 121, and 12 times 12 is 144. So all of these answers that I've written here are all called square numbers. And it's spelled exactly the same as the shape. So those are your square numbers. You can either memorise them or you can remember how to work them out. So for example, if I did 5 times 7 is 35, that is not square because I'm not timesing the 5 by another 5. You can only get a square number if you times any number by itself. They have to be the same. So whenever you're dealing with square numbers, you just times that number by itself. And if you want to be really clever, we write it in maths in a different way. We can write it like that, or we can put a little 2 there to show it's squared. 1 squared is 1 times 1, which is 1. 2 squared is 2 times 2, which is 4. 4 squared is 4 times 4, which is 16. 5 squared, 6 squared, 7 squared, 8 squared, 9 squared, 10 squared, 11 squared, 12 squared. So when you see this little 2 up here, it doesn't mean 2 times 2 or 4 times 2 or 5 times 2. It means you have to times that number by itself 2 times. So 5 squared is 5 times 5, and that gives us an answer of 25. So that's your square number. So have a go at the questions, and I'll see you in the next lesson for cube numbers.
Thank you for watching. See you all soon, and don't forget to like and subscribe.